Hello to everybody. It's a bird's nest here. I go by Alex Disdo, which is also a bird's nest. But anyway, um, I've been working on music and then also kind of just chilling too. It's just a chill day today. So here is what I have so far. I hope you enjoy, and I hope the music doesn't freeze right in the middle like it did last time. But anyway, enjoy. all I have for now. So that is Crown of Light. That is basically how the frequency of my crown that's over my head. I got my rock. I am a king of music. I am a king of all the stars. I am a king of abundance too. And my voice is horribly fabulous. I still need to work on my voice, but you know, it's kind of getting there. So, anyway, I appreciate to whoever lasted this long, and I'm sure you enjoyed it because you did last long, and you're hearing my beautiful, sexy voice. So, um, if you want, hold on. Oh shit. I just gotta put a screen there because I just don't want. I haven't been looking at 18 plus stuff, so you know. Okay, we're good. I don't want to be like, I don't want to end up like one of those damn Twitch streamers that have, you know, that stuff on their screen and they thought they turned off their shit. So, here is my to those who are interested in following my SoundCloud. This here is my. I'll just like go like. So it's a bird's nest. So if you just type it in like all together in the search of SoundCloud, my SoundCloud will pop up just like this. So, and of course, if you're interested in like supporting me, it would really help me out, and I would definitely appreciate your support. I would like hug you right now if you did, but if I was in front of you, I would hug you. So, anyway, thank you for watching and have a blessed, nice, fabulous day. Goodbye, my friends.